Matt with the Carolina Reaper. He brought his red hoodie to match his face in about a minute. Matt, how hot is that?
It's fucking hot.
How does a jalapeno compare?
Not as bad. Damn. Woo!
Remember, you gotta act tough. Is it warm?
Yeah.
What's it feel like?
My asshole's gonna burn later. My ears are fucking tingly. Woo!
You know, it takes like 7 minutes for the full heat to kick in.
Yep. Woo!
What possessed you to do something?
Him.
You're 1 minute, 50 seconds in. Is it spicy?
Yeah.
Can you breathe good?
Yeah. Oh.
Look at the camera.
Horror! Whew. Oh my shit.
Let me know what you're thinking.
My face is all tingly and numb.
Move your freaking hands.
Whew.
Changed my mind. I'm awake.
Whew. Oh boy. Ooh, my face is on fire. Face is tingling. Damn.
Is it getting hotter?
No, I was getting in my stomach.
What's that feel like?
Sucks. Feels like I gotta throw up.
Don't do that.
Might have to.
Uh-uh.
Too bad.
You can't.
It's too bad.
That wasn't part of it.
Hello. I can't do it.
Oh, don't do that.
Just get some air.
You're gonna feel the heat twice.
Uh-huh.
Is that different than the Carolina jerky? Was it hotter when you ate it or when you puked it? Matt, my phone's gonna die. You gotta come back inside.